Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. My name is Alyssa and I'm from Norway and I live in the Netherlands right now, so that was a little bit about me. And yeah, today I'm gonna go to uni. So yeah, this is what I'm wearing, this Calvin Klein shirt. If you have seen my vlogs before, I did an unboxing on it. So yeah, it's really sunny outside, but it's still pretty cold because it's fall. And I'll show you guys the rest of the outfit. So this is the outfit of the day, just these jeans, a little bit ripped here, black socks, and this shirt. So yeah, this is the breakfast of the day, just 2 toasted slides with a turkey slice, and I'm gonna put some salad on, some cucumber, and also this glass of juice. I will also have a glass of water, and this cooked egg. It's soft cooked, which I really prefer. And yeah, I didn't have time to do a little get ready with me, but I thought I would show you guys some of the makeup that I used today. I used this under my eyes, this Maybelline, oh, it doesn't focus because I don't have my hand properly. This, anyways, is this Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Concealer, really popular. And then we have this Maybelline lipstick right now on the lips, just I tapped it a little bit on the lips so I get some color on my mouth. And then we have this MAC Give Me Sun bronzer. I barely used anything, or it doesn't show up that well on the camera, but yeah, that was some of the products that I used today. My vanity looks like a mess, so I'm not going to show you guys that, but this is what the bronzer looks like. It's from MAC and it's called the Give Me Sun, and so far I really like it. I moisturized my face with this Clinique cream. So yeah, I'm still a little bit awkward when I film, but I'm trying to get better at it. And the perfume I'm using today is this DKNY Be Desired apple shaped perfume. So yeah, that was some products. This video is not sponsored or anything, I'm just showing you guys some of the products I'm currently using. Yeah, as you guys just saw, that was really messy, but yeah, this sweater is really different from what I usually buy. I never ever wear yellow, except for one exception. I have one shirt. And yeah, that's the update for right now. At least now I'm gonna eat some breakfast and then I'm gonna head to school. It's currently 1 o'clock, so it is quite like it's afternoon already. We didn't have any classes today because the whole we have a public and private specialization in my uni, and all of the public ones went to Brussels to the European Parliament, so we had free today, which is really nice, and I could sleep longer, but I still have to go to uni because we are working on an assignment. Some people don't meet up with their group today, they're gonna meet up another day, so but we said that we would meet today anyway, so I have to go to a different city. Yeah, I live in a different city and my uni is in a different city, so I have to go there. A little bit of yellow lighting in here, but yeah. So now I'm just waiting for my friends to show up, and well, for my group and friends to show up. We're gonna work on the assignment that we have. Hopefully we will get really far today. And yeah, it's currently 3 o'clock. It is Friday, 28th of September, and yeah, I'm just sitting here at university. So as you guys saw, I traveled with the train and I'm a little bit nervous because my Cantonese is not that good, but yeah, I thought I would try it out and see if I can do one vlog with it at least. Yesterday that I went to the cat cafe, and oh sorry, I'm just gonna take these out, my Apple AirPods. They're really handy because then I don't have to use this, and remember that I need to bring the extra thing, and also I can charge now while listening to music with these, so they have really been a good investment in my opinion. So yeah, that's what's going on right now. I'm just vlogging a little bit here while I'm waiting. This lens cap from Sony is a little bit annoying for this camera because it falls out all the time. It's probably because I've been using it a lot, and yeah, not really that much interesting. What's gonna happen this weekend is that I'm gonna film a video for our video project, and yeah, well, video is my forte, so I hope that I will do well on that. I have to act a little bit, and my acting skills is so terrible. Like, I'm so terrible at acting. When I did it in high school, like, my friends started to laugh at me because it was so bad. Like, I don't mind because I was laughing at myself as well, but it was really, really sad. A sad moment. Look at this plant, really aesthetically pleasing to watch and to look at. And yeah, that is a little bit of the update that is going on right now. I'm gonna post a blog post again in the region, and I tried to experiment a little bit with my GoPro, so that's really fun, at least right now. Right now I'm filming on the Sony A5000. Yeah, when it comes to like YouTube stuff and like, yeah, what camera I use and stuff, it's not a secret. I want everybody to, well, know if they're wondering, and also if you want to, I can tell you guys a little bit about the camera I'm currently using. It's really good in my opinion. It's not really, I want everything to go really fast, so it has like an intelligent mode on the so everything can go automatic. I'm really, like, when I'm shooting, for example, some photos and stuff for my Instagram, I just like push the button and then it like goes automatically to portrait, and then it goes to macro, and also a landscape if I'm taking pictures of buildings and stuff, which is really nice because then I don't have to think about it, or like, oh, I didn't have the right settings and blah blah blah. And yeah, so some of the functions that the camera can do is that you can have like a blurry background, so while I'm filming you guys see that the background is a little bit blurry. It's not really an important thing for me because I usually watch out for the background that I have when I vlog, because I know that a lot of people don't want to be in the vlog and just the usual stuff. I do vlog every day, so you guys already know what I do every day basically, because I try to upload as much as possible, really get more comfortable with talking in front of the camera and talking to you guys as my friends instead of as like I'm talking to myself. So I feel like I've become better at that. Let me know what you think. And yeah, the YouTube is going well. I hope it's a lot of fun to do this. I really like it, so I'm gonna continue with it for sure. The weather today is really cloudy, as you guys saw in the train, and I can show you guys the weather forecast. It is currently 16 degrees in Rotterdam, and it's gonna rain on Monday and Tuesday. Yeah, this is all in the region, so sorry about that. And yeah, so it's gonna be a little bit of like colder. It has like last week it was around 21-22 degrees, so still pretty warm, but now it's like 16-17. Monday is gonna be even 12, so that's pretty cold in my opinion. And yeah, as I guys, some cool things I figured out the other day was that I could download the GoPro app and actually film from my phone and also from my GoPro at the same time. Like, I could see what was on the other side of the GoPro. Right now I have the screen for my camera, which is really nice. It's a flip screen on it so that I can see what I'm looking at. And yeah, so for the GoPro I can do that with my phone and the GoPro, and also see, which was pretty handy. So from now I'm gonna use that when I take pictures with my GoPro, for example. And I really like that the GoPro has the voice functioning on the yeah, so that you can say like, GoPro, take a photo, and then it's like taking a photo of you, or like, GoPro start recording, and then it starts to record, and then GoPro stop recording, and then it stops to record, which is so cool. I'm so awkward with this picture. I actually look like a rapper in my opinion. And yeah, I think it was a cool photo anyways, because I'm like in the city, sitting like cool with the sunglasses on. That was like a rapper named Lil A. I don't think that would be my rapping name if I were to become a rapper, but my rapping skills is also terrible, so I wouldn't recommend it. So I'm just exploring a little bit on some of the stuff that I'm thinking about filming. The Netherlands language update, which I did today, but I probably have to cut out a lot of the things because it didn't go that well when I was talking Dutch in front of the camera. I'm already nervous when I speak in front of the camera. I hope you guys don't know this, but anyways, it's fine if you do. It's still in the beginning phase, so that's why I really want to do it every day so that I get more used to it. And also I'm gonna try to film a learning way cards in Norwegian. If you guys are interested in that, I'm also filming like teaching Norwegian to you guys if some people think that's interesting. I got requests if I could film that, so that's why I do it. If it's a pretty simple video, I usually take the requests and stuff. And if I also know what it is, sometimes I get requests and then I'm like, I don't know what that is. So yeah, I'm thinking about doing a little bit of a college advice video as well. So yeah, that's the update for now at least.